Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics question on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video I am going to solve chapter Algebraic Expressions, exercise 6.2, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan, class 8, question number 5. So if you guys want to see all the solutions of all the exercises of chapters, rational numbers, exponents, square and square roots and earlier exercises of algebraic expressions, you can go by the description box where all the links have been given. So let's check it out how to solve question number 5 here. So in our earlier videos of algebraic expressions, we have learned about the identities a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b and a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So based on a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, we will be solving the questions related to question number 5. So let's check it out how to solve. As we all know that a plus b whole square always equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is always equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So based on these two identities, we will be solving all the parts of question number 5. So the first part is 52 whole square. First, we would be trying to split 52 so that we can convert this 52 either in the identity a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So as we all know, 52 square would be equal to 50 plus 2 whole square. Here 50 would become a and 2 would become our b. So 50 plus 2 whole square, a square, that is 50 square, plus 2 into a, that is 50, into b, that is 2, plus b square, that is 2 square. So 50 square would become 2500. 2 into 50 into 2 would become 250 is a 100 and 100 2s are 200, and 4 square 2 square would become 4. So our answer would be 2704. Now let's move to the second part, that is 102 whole square. So 102, we can write 102 as 100 plus 2 whole square. So here 100 would become our a and 2 would become our b. So 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2, that is a into b, plus b square, that is 2 square. So 100 square would become 10,000 plus 2 into 100 200, 200 2s are 400, plus 2 square would become 4. So our answer would become 10,404, which is our answer. Now let's move to the third part. So the third part is 47 square. So 47 can be written as 50 minus 3 square. So here a square, that is 50 square, minus 2 into 50 into 3, that is minus 2ab, plus b square, that is 3 square. So 50 square would become 5 5s are 2500, minus 250s are 150, 153s are 250s are 100, 103s are 300, plus 3 square 9. Here 2500 minus plus minus and sign would be the of bigger number. 300 minus 9, that would be equal to 291. So 2500 minus 291 would become 2209. That is our answer of third part of question number 5. So let's move to the fourth part. So our fourth part is 998 square. That would somewhat be equal to 1000 minus 2 square. So here we will apply the identity a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square, that is 1000 square, minus 2ab, that is 2 into 1000 into 2, plus b square, that is 2 square. So 1000 square would become 10 lakh, minus 2 into 1000 into 2 would become 4000, and 2 square would become 4. So 10 lakh minus 4000 plus 4, plus minus minus 4000 minus 4 would become 3996. So 10 lakh minus 3996 would be 9,96,004, which is our answer. Have full glance of fourth part of question number 5. Now let's move to the fifth part of question number 5. So the fifth part is 199 square, which is equal to 200 minus 1 square. So 200 square, that is a square, minus 2 into 200 into 1, that is 2ab, plus 1 square, that is b square. So 200 square would be equal to 40,000, minus 2 into 100, 2 into 200 into 1 would be equal to 400, plus 1 square would be 1 only. So 40,000 minus 400 plus 1 would be equal to 399. So subtract 399 from the 40,000, that would be equal to 39,601, which is our answer. So now let's move to the last part of question number 5, which is the sixth part. So the last part, which is the sixth part of question number 5, is 502 square. That would be equal to 500 plus 2 whole square. So a square, that is 500 square, plus 2 into 500, that is a, into b, that is 2, plus 2 square, that is b square. So 500 would become 2,50,000. 502 square, 500 square would become 2,50,000, plus 2 into 500, that is 1000 into 2, 2000, plus 2 square, that is 4. So 2,50,000 plus 2004 would become 2,52,004. That is our answer. Hope all the parts are clear. Still, if you guys any doubt, you can ask me by writing into the comment box. So if you like my videos, or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, share as much as possible, and hit the like button. In my next video, I will be solving exercise 6.2 algebraic expressions, question number 6. So thank you so much.